Hi all, let's propagate this beautiful money plant in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Snip your cutting from the main plant. Please see that you make a clean cut with sharp knife or scissors. Step 2. Cut 2 inches below the root node. This one right here is your root node. So I want around 4 to 5 cuttings. So each time I will use my sharp scissors to cut under the root node. Money plant can easily be propagated and grown from stem cuttings in water, in a pot or soil. It's a very popular house plant and is grown mostly indoors in water. Now I chose to tie them loosely just so that it's easy to handle, but it's totally optional. I'm going to cut it loose once the roots start growing. Step 3. Pour fresh room temperature water in a clean glass, just enough to cover the nodes of the cutting, and place your cutting in it. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.